heck is this?
Do that and then do a sad face.
She likes to drive and jump until she can't stand up anymore.
I had this for breakfast.
But for 4-year-old Nevaeh McGraw diagnosed with autism, there are ways to help her develop. But now,
Don't you want that?
province could affect her development.
No.
Nope, not eating this in consecutive meals.
No, you don't like that?
Families who have children with autism and
No?
other needs can get the support
You don't want
they
that?
need. A total of $475 million.
Mom, Dad's feeding me crap?
I'm sorry.
I'm not eating it. I'd rather starve.
You want that?
Yes, I'd like something good, please.
You want your food?
Okay.
What's taking so long, for God's sake? It's a can with a pull tab. Let me smell that I've been fooled before with same shit, different dish. Okay, seems acceptable. Not bad. But I'm not going to show I like it, or I'll get it again tonight. Only big chunks left. They know I don't like big chunks.
Certainly will continue to grow. More students will continue to come to campus, and those are students who won't be served by new.
Okay, I'm done. Time to clean up.
Murdoch agrees that delaying housing will affect the already challenged. Despite the setback, there are no plans to give up on the project altogether.
We will keep working